Good day to you guys. Welcome to our first episode of our Blokees series where we are going to build the Blokees inside this box. So just a quick background, Blokees are affordable, highly articulated, and pre-painted plastic model kits of popular characters such as this one, Transformers. We also have Mask Rider, Ultraman, and other characters. And this is Blokees is a Chinese company founded in 2014, and they produce collectible, cute proportioned figures, roughly around 4 to 5 inches, that focuses on high posability and such. So, yeah, let's check on this box, what its content, and let's see what's inside and who would it be on the list here on the back. So let's go. Alright, so let's open the box of this Blokees. Okay, just be careful opening the box. Okay, so here is the Blokees itself, and we got the card. So who is it? It's Soundwave. So yeah, let's put the box away, and we got Soundwave and its instruction manual. Let's open the box. So they okay, just a second. Alright, so we got the contents of the box itself. So let's start building. Okay guys, so here is our Soundwave. It's perfectly articulable. Joints are perfectly articulated since it's using ball joint, and everything is detailed like the animated series. And we got his companion. I think this is Hound. So on the box itself, what we see is Soundwave is, if you can see here, it's 1 out of 144 pieces of Grimlock. So we are lucky unboxing this Soundwave in the first purchase. So it's win-win for us. So yeah, everything is good when it comes to this Blokees. Yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoy it. So please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I'll see you next time. Peace.